from the News Channel 8 studios, this is Let's Talk Live.
Just because it's cold and dreary outside, well, it doesn't mean your clothes have to be drab too. After the break, we'll show you how some stylish winter wear options that are sure to brighten up the season.
Love that scarf.
Very colorful.
Beautiful.
Well, the weather outside's frightful, but winter fashion can be delightful. Here to show us how staying warm doesn't have to hamper your personal style is Rosanna Volmerhausen and the chief stylist of the DC Style Factory. Thank you so much for joining us. And you know, I was having this problem the other day because I didn't want to go outside, but I wanted to look nice for dinner. And you know, what do you do to stay warm and still look good, right?
Yeah, absolutely. When it's cold outside, really our #1 goal is to stay warm. And the whole style thing falls by the wayside. So we're here today to show you some fun, easy ways to stay warm, but to still feel stylish.
Sounds great. I think we have our first model in place. Let's talk about this. Weekend Warriors, our first look. That's what we're looking at, right?
It is. That's what we're looking at. We have Julian here, Julian Garman from Style Blog. It's Julian.com. And she is wearing what we all know as a cold weather staple, a puffy jacket, a puffer coat. So, you know, a lot of times when people think of a puffer coat, they really just think of it as utilitarian and not very stylish. So I wanted to give folks a few ways to think of the puffer coat when you're out buying one, things to think about. So first of all, look at the shape. You know, this one has a belt and it kind of curves in and gives her a little bit of a waistline. So look for something that has a little bit of shape. Second of all is the finish on the coat. I like to look for coats that have a matte finish instead of a shine. Shine draws attention, it adds volume. You already have the puffy thing going on, so I really like to stick with the matte. So that's the second thing. The third thing is look at the length. She has one that is a 3/4 length right now. A lot of times you'll see puffer coats that go all the way down and it literally looks like you're wearing a comforter with arms. So go just a little shorter. You're still going to get that warmth, but it will look more like a purposeful coat. You know, purposeful coat that makes sense, not a blanket.
And something you can really pair with everything else that you're wearing too. You want to get that right color.
Absolutely. And she is wearing a color. You know, the black is a really common way to go with a puffer coat, but you know, try a color. Try a rich color that's easy to mix with many different outfits, but just has a little bit more pizzazz.
That sounds great. Good advice for us, because I think all of us have one of those in our closets. And trying to figure out what to do with it. Well, we're going to turn over to our second look, and I know mommy chic. And what are we talking about, mommy chic? This doesn't just have to be moms, but you're trying to get some moms to, you know, be stylish out there.
Yes, it's moms make up a lot of our clients, you know, so we're always talking to moms about how to dress up their look. And here we have Angelica Talon, who actually is a mom blogger, and her blog is ClaritonMoms.com, and she is wearing, we want to really highlight her gloves here, okay? So a lot of times when it's this cold out, the knit gloves, the wind just kind of blows right through it. So I have been recommending to our clients to try either leather or faux leather gloves that really just kind of warm your hands a little bit better. And the one feature I wanted to point out about these gloves that are actually available at Proper Topper in DuPont Circle is that they have little slits in the fingers so you can easily operate your iPhone.
Which is key, because you know you're stuck outside and you're like, I need to answer my phone call and I can't because I'm wearing leather gloves.
And these are a little more reliable than the ones that I think we've seen that have the touch, you know, and sometimes you can't really get to your phone as easily.
But very stylish and lots of color, because you need that little burst of color in these drab days.
Absolutely.
Well, our third look is called Cozy Glam. What are we talking about, Cozy Glam?
So here we have Chelsea Henderson, who is a local author and blogger at the ChelseaChronicles.com, and we have her in a date night look. And Basically, for date night, a lot of times you're not doing as much layering, you know, because you're wearing a dress or something, but we still wanted to show ways that you can keep warm. She is wearing fleece-lined tights in this look, and they're basically designed to keep your legs warm, but totally appropriate for date night, for going out. We paired them with these fabulous Stuart Weitzman booties.
Beautiful.
And she's ready to go out. She's ready to go out.
And really, you're going to stay warm yet still look stylish at the same time, and that's really what it's all about.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Well, on our fourth look, toasty textures. This isn't really about, looks like, layering and pairing a lot of different textures. You know, a lot of people sometimes don't know, how do I mix prints and textures together? What is the right way to do this?
So let's talk prints first. The easiest way to mix prints is to choose some light colors and you know, choose colors that kind of go together and have a common color in them. Then you choose one print that's dominant, a bigger print, and one print that is smaller, so that your eye doesn't end up, they don't end up competing. And sometimes it can look a little busy if you pick the same scale print.
Yeah, and our model here, tell us about what she's wearing and the scarves and all the textures that she has on right now.
So she has on, first I want to point out her scarf. Everyone needs a scarf. It's cold out. And my pick this season is by local designer Daynata. And it's an alpaca scarf, and it's hand knit, handcrafted. And this cowl is, I have two in two different colors, and they keep you warm.
Cozy.
It keeps you cozy and warm, and it's super stylish, you know, so it's got that little bit of that oversized feel.
And I see a theme here, you know, just a little pop of color in mixed with all the neutrals that you end up finding in the stores, because that's all you can find, it seems like.
Exactly. There's a lot of neutrals in the winter, and what we did here is we mixed textures. She is wearing pretty much an all neutral outfit, but you can see her vest is a faux fur. And then she's got her pants, which is like kind of a track pant style, is cashmere. So her whole outfit, it's cozy. It's the definition of cozy.
This is great for a weekend, and you don't have to feel like you're necessarily like slumming it in your your workout pants, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Rosanna. And we're going to stand by because we have some breaking news coming just up.